only have a small bit of land which is enough to grow food for their families. So when wildlife disrupts this activity, then it means that they're not going to have food to feed their family at the end of the day. This is why there's such high tension between wildlife and humans in general, all over Africa, not just in Kenya. But elephants are particularly a problem, and the reason for that is because elephants need a lot of space. They're not territorial, they're nomadic animals. They travel very long distances, which means that they are going to come into contact with humans more. But another thing is, of course, they're very big. They do kill people occasionally, and they do have the ability to kill quite easily, so they're feared. And another thing is, even if an elephant passes your little field of maize or whatever, they can just trample on all the crops and they ruin it in a day. So, the elephants are not liked in rural areas for several reasons. And what happens when the elephants come close to human settlement areas, then the farmers or villagers will go and chase them. Sometimes they shoot poison arrows at them. They do all sorts of things to try and get the elephants away. The elephants, of course, get really frightened, they panic, and then they stampede away, and the little ones can get left behind. So Kenya here, she comes to the Mount Kenya area. Most of the elephants are named after the place that we find them. So